Hi guys, I'm Giovanna.
And I'm Marcelo.
Welcome to Only in Brazil channel. We created this channel to be the solution if you're planning a trip to Brazil. You don't need to search in hundreds of blogs and channels. In this channel you'll find everything you need to know. What to do in Brazil, things to see, and if you're especially interested in history, tours, and local food when you travel, have a look at the description.
And today we're gonna teach you how to make the original Brazilian caipirinha.
Yeah, the original recipe, it's with lime and cachaça, but we have more fruits here because Brazilians love caipirinha, so we decided to put more fruits like passion fruit. This one is delicious. A special kind of lime and strawberry. So keep with us, we're gonna learn how Brazilians make caipirinhas. And by the way, today is Father's Day in Brazil and my family is making a... No, now they aren't here, but they're gonna be behind us because we're having a barbecue for Father's Day.
Yeah, so let's go.
You're gonna need 2 limes. And then you press a little bit like this because it helps to get the juice from the lime. And then you cut. We take off the front and the back of the lime because it avoids to get the bitter taste. And the same in the middle. We take off the white part. And guys, to make the caipirinha, you're gonna need 2 limes, 2 spoons of sugar, some ice, and cachaça. Cachaça is it's the kind of national drink of Brazil. And if you change any of the ingredients, you have to change its name. If you change the lime for any other fruit, then you have to call it Caipifruta. If you change the cachaça, the national beverage, to any other beverage, for example vodka, you have to call it Caipivodka. Okay, coming back to our recipe. And then you cut the lime in some pieces, not so small, not so big. And then you put the 2 spoons of sugar, and of course the cachaça, 1 shot of cachaça. Squeeze the lime with cachaça and sugar and shake it. It's important you don't forget to shake everything with the ice because then it's gonna be colder faster. And shake. And then finally you fill a glass with ice and your caipirinha is red. Saúde!
So this is the original Brazilian caipirinha with lime, and now I'm gonna do with strawberry, so pay attention.
While Marcelo makes a caipifruta of strawberry, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about the history of caipirinha. Well, there's more than one theory about how caipirinha was created. I'm gonna share 2 with you, and the first, according to my research, is the most popular. So at the beginning, caipirinha was invented to recover from flu, like a medicine. So to some people were given garlic, honey, lime, and at that time using alcohol as medicine was very popular, so they added cachaça, the national beverage that I told you. Later they decided to change the honey for sugar and realized that garlic had no place in that drink and Brazil is hot enough to add some ice. And there we go! We have the caipirinha that you know nowadays, and you don't need to be sick to drink it. And according to the second theory, caipirinha was invented not for medical purposes, but by rich farmers in the countryside of Brazil to celebrate special moments. And these farmers were great producers of cachaça, so that's how they celebrate. You want some, Jake? You want some, Jake? Hi, Happy? And guys, before we finish, we still have a caipifruta of passion fruit, but before, let's make a very quick overview. So, we get 2 limes, we take off the front and the back of the lime, we also take off the white part in the middle, we cut in some pieces, and then we put 1 shot of cachaça, some sugar, we squeeze it, and then we put some ice, we shake it, and That's it. And now let's go for the passion fruit. And guys, the passion fruit, it's one of my favorites. It's so good, you have to try. So basically it's the same thing, but you cut the passion fruit in 2 parts. You get half of it, you put sugar, cachaça, and then you squeeze because it's not a lime, and then you put some ice, shake it, fill a glass with ice, and that's it. Saúde! So guys, that's it. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, and follow me in my Instagram where I daily give tips about Brazil.
Okay, so let's drink. Cheers!
Cheers!